What is going on, everybody? Josh White here, and you're watching another J-Dub Twins episode. Alright, so I'm very excited to announce that Ford has finally released M9603 M8B, which is the part number for the 2018 to 2020 Mustang GT Performance Calibration Kit. So, what does this kit come with? We'll talk about it right after this word from our sponsor. You don't have any sponsors. Oh, okay. I guess we don't have any sponsors. So what does this kit come with? All right, so we're going to talk about it. First up is the Pro Cal tool. So this performance calibration tool is upgraded. Ford calls it the Pro Cal Tool 4. So it holds and delivers the performance calibration tune to the Mustang GT, as well as holds the stock file so that, you know, for whatever reason, if you wanted to switch back to the stock tune, which I don't know why anyone would want to do that, you can. You have the option to do that. So it also allows for real-time data logging as well as real-time viewing of the engine parameters. And also you can configure tire size changes as well, because I know some people like to throw on those big fat drag radials and some other people like to have those low-profile tires. So it allows for those changes as well. So this Pro Cal tool, it features a high-resolution touchscreen and a suction cup mount as well, so you can mount it onto the corner of your windshield. And it also has a rubberized protective case. So next, the kit comes with an 87mm throttle body with a throttle body adapter. And lastly, the kit comes with a cold air intake, or a Ford Performance cold air intake, which I believe is going to be very similar to the GT350 cold air intake. So what you guys are really wanting to know are the performance power gains. So Ford is stating that there will be a 42 pound-feet of torque gain at 2,000 RPM. So if you guys watched my last review of the car, I talked about the lackluster performance of the low-end torque. Which, yes, this is awesome news. It's answering that right there. So, completely addresses the low-end torque. So we're also looking at 19 horsepower gain at 6,500 RPM and an 18 pound-feet of torque gain at 4,500 RPM. And Ford is stating that the tune will enhance the throttle response, and for the automatic specifically, it'll come with optimized shifts. And yes, this kit comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty if it's installed by Ford or by an ASE certified shop. So when we talk about price, yes, this kit is $1,275, which to me is not that bad of a price considering that you get to keep your warranty. And you know, when you get these aftermarket tunes, and it's risky, right? Because you get these aftermarket tunes and they could potentially destroy your engine. And if that's the case, then Ford's not going to cover it. But you know, if you get this tune installed, you drive off the lot and your car explodes, Ford's going to cover it because it's under warranty. So yeah, I do plan on getting this tune. I'm very excited about it and have high expectations for it, because whenever I had my 2016 Mustang EcoBoost, I bought the performance calibration kit and had Ford install it, and completely changed the characteristics of my car. So I have very high expectations for this tune, and I'm looking forward to getting it. Alright, so that concludes our episode. Please, if you like what you're watching, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. That way you can get notified of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode. Bye.